Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Fender Frontman Guitar Combo Amplifier. My grandson has started ukulele and guitar lessons, so I bought this for him to help him out. I actually think that getting him this amp has increased his love for learning the guitar and the ukulele, because he usually plugs in this amp whenever he's doing all his practicing, and this thing is loud. It lets you know, it lets everyone in the house know he has sat down for a practice session. Let me continue to give you some close-ups of this amp, so if you are looking at it, this may help you make a decision. It does have these rubber pegs on the bottom, so you're not going to scratch anything with this amp. It does come with the cable, and he was able to plug these into his ukulele and also his guitar. Here it is plugged into his ukulele, and me just doing a little bit of strumming on it. The video can't do the audio of this thing justice. It is extremely high quality and just about as loud as you want it to be. Here's his little music area in the corner, and he's also taken piano lessons as well. I like it, he likes it, I think you'll like it. So if you're looking at this Fender amp, I hope you found my video helpful.